You may have seen the flashy headlines around the news channels saying that women reservation bill got defeated in the parliament and the reason for it is opposition. Before you misunderstand, let's know what actually happened. The Nari Shakti Vandan Adhinayam is already passed in parliament in 2023 and with this women will get 33% reservation in Lok Sabha seats. But actually it is done based on the census. That is, the process is first census will happen and then delimitation will takes place and then reservation will take on. No delimitation is equal to no reservation. If the act is already passed, what got defeated in the parliament is the real question. It's the 131st constitutional amendment to the existing act is the one which got defeated. But the ruling government tried to fast track everything using 2011 census. That is, increasing seats and redrawing the political boundaries of each state and make things all right by 2029 elections. To implement it, you need 2 by 3rd majority according to the Article 368. So they need 362 majority, but it failed miserably. The thing is, both the sides, that is, ruling party and the opposition, supported this bill and it was already passed in 2023. But to implement it, we need census. And the census are already happening and they will complete by 2027. But opposition want to implement it right now, that is in the present 543 seats. Opposition do not like linking women reservation bill with delimitation bill. Here's the truth. 33% reservation is already there and is already passed with huge majority in 2023. The amendment to it was failed but after 2027 census delimitation is mandatory and women reservation will also takes place accordingly.